Hello, this is Siddharth. Today I'm gonna talk about World Trade Organization. What is this World Trade Organization? It's the in only global international organization dealing with the rules of trades between nations. Though the WTO agreements are negotiated and signed by the trading nations and ratified in their parliaments. What is this goal? Their goal is to help producers of goods and service, exporters and importers conduct and grow their business. So this is our introduction. I've already told how it actually the World Trade Radar works. Now I'll be telling what is the difference between GATT and WTO. WTO includes goods and service and IPR. WTO and its agreements are permanent and GATT was ad hoc. So WTO has a trade policy review. What is the history of WTO? It was created by a successor General Agreement on Tariffs and Trade, which is established after the World War II. This mainly focuses on the tariffs and the trade barriers, while the WTO expands its scope and cover. What are the functions of WTO? WTO has several functions. Promote free and fair trade, includes negotiation, implementing agreements, providing a forum for dispute resolution. So it also works with other organizations to promote economic development and reduce the poverty in our country or in the whole world. What is the impact of WTO in our nation or the economy? So it generally helps to develop us and reduce the poverty. So it increases economic growth and raise living standards in many countries. So it also fares by favoring developing countries because developed countries are already developed. So by developing more can actually address the environmental and social concerns. What are the controversies surrounded the WTO? The WTO has faced several controversies towards its history. These include protest by anti-globalization activities, criticization from developing countries over unequal treatment, and concerns over the influence of large corporations or trade policy. Despite this controversy, the WTO remains an important institute for promoting free and fair trade. The WTO must strengthen the world in the benefit of trade. We have seen it global trade provides a large and growing share of these jobs. What are the principles of the WTO members? Do they make only decisions or do they have any veto power? There are four principles regarding the WTO members. Extending the trade concessions equally to the all equal members and aiming for free global trade with low tariffs everywhere. Making trade more predictable through rules. Bringing about more competition by cutting the subsidies. What are the major WTO functions administrating WTO trade agreements? First, Forum for Trade Negotiations, handling trade disputes, monitoring national trade policies, technical assistance and training for developing countries. Next, we'll be moving forward to the conclusion of the. So, in the conclusion, WTO plays an important, crucial role in promoting free trade, regulating global commerce. Although we know that WTO has faced many controversies and criticism, It has actually helped the world, and almost many developed countries have a huge economical growth and actually raise the living standards of many people in many countries. So the global economy continues to evolve. The role of WTA will remain important in ensuring that the trade is conducted in a fair and a transparent manner.